Hello, Cal State East Bay students. My name is Adriana, and I am a library student ambassador here at the Core. Today, I'm going to show you how to utilize the NewsBank Access World News California collection. First, what is the NewsBank Access World News California collection? This database includes local and regional California news media, including the East Bay Express, San Francisco Examiner, SF Weekly, the Sacramento Bee, local TV news transcripts, and some college newspapers. You can find the NewsBank Access World News California collection by heading to the Cal State East Bay Library website first, then scrolling down to find the Search Databases A through Z tab on the left-hand side of the page. Clicking on that tab will direct you to the A through Z databases page where the library holds 167 different databases. Click on the N on the alphabetical directory and you can see that it is the second option labeled NewsBank California Collection. Once you click on that, you will automatically be sent to the NewsBank Access World News California Collection website. Here, you can type in any keyword into the search bar to find the newspaper you're looking for. For example, since Filipinx Awareness Month is coming up, I want to find newspapers about Larry Itliong, a Filipino-American organizer and community leader who played an important role in the farm labor movement. I want to find the oldest newspaper, so I will sort it from oldest to newest. Here, I found a newspaper article on him from the Fresno Bee on May 25, 1987. I will be using this for a work project during Filipinx Awareness Month. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you will all utilize this fantastic tool for your research.